Hello everyone, this is Kian from Medyo Otaku Show. On today's episode, magto-throwback tayo at babalikan natin ang Cosplay Mania X. At ito'y naganap sa SMX Convention Center noong 2010. At kamustahin natin ang event na to. So, if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's go! Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections anong masasabi nyo sa Cosplay Mania X. At abangan nyo ang susunod na episode dahil bibisitahin naman natin ang Cosplay Mania 2025. So, if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode. This is Kian signing off. Matane.